We're at the Thomas Jefferson Library on Arlington Boulevard here in Falls Church, and it's Let Loose in the Library, a Fairfax Library Foundation hosting an event to celebrate and to support the libraries in Fairfax County. If you walk through the silent auction, you'll see collection of cookbooks, collection of mysteries, we have many autograph books, we have some photographs, artwork of various kinds. It's a very eclectic silent auction. 100% of what we raise goes to support the libraries. The foundation was created to support and enhance the libraries. We do things like the literacy program. We support the Fall for the Book Festival, which is held at George Mason University. It enhances the programs that are already in the libraries, and now with all the cutbacks and things, what we can do to help is very, very important.
I love the library, and I've just realized that I need to bring my support beyond just our local branch and up to the foundation level.
The Jubilee has become the signature event for the year, and it's always just a great party. This is the first time we've had it in a library, and I think it's a great location for a party because we like to party in the library.
So this is the time to let loose in the library, and we want to really thank you for coming out to join us to support the library programs this evening. It's your generosity, it's your support that helps us support our libraries, the programs, and the services here that service the Fairfax County community.
Even during these difficult times, we have made sure that our libraries continue to be the quality of life service that people enjoy living in Fairfax County for.
Next year, when we send out the email saying we're having the Jubilee, which is what we began to call this event, people will come and enjoy an evening of fun and supporting the library system.